Sometimes we get a little carried away trying to be right. We feel like we have to be right, prove someone wrong, and win arguments in order to, serve God. That's not what we're called for. Our job is to be disciples that make disciples. Our job is to make disciples that make disciples. So we want to make sure we don't lose sight of what the Great Commission is and what our assignment is. Because your assignment from Almighty God is not to just run around putting people down. We need to make sure we're lifting people up. I'm not saying that we aren't honest. I'm not saying we don't judge evil versus good. I'm saying that we serve the God of love, and when people encounter us and then we walk away, they should have the impression we serve the God of love.